Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. And as you can see here, I currently have the Aztec and apple cider vinegar.
Yes, it's me again, and I'm back.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title of today's video, I will be showing y'all how I watercolor my 613 bundles to dark blue. In this case, a violet color. So if you haven't already, hit that notification button, like, share, and go ahead and subscribe. And without further ado, if you want to see how I achieve this color right here, just keep on watching. Nature is so beautiful, y'all. Like, oh my god. And to think that we take stuff like this for granted. Like, just look how beautiful that is right there. That is so beautiful. So y'all, this is what my bundles look like. It came in this package right here from DHL. That's a shipping carrier. And I got 4 613 hair. Okay, I have a closure which is 14 inches, and then don't worry, the lace will be bleached, so it doesn't matter if the lace comes out the color that I want to. And then I have a, let's see, a 16 inch, longest is 18 inch, and then I have a 14 inch. And if y'all want the type of hair and the vendor information that I got, then just comment that down below in the comment section, okay? FYI, before I even attempt to color or dye my hair, since the hair is from overseas, I will be shampooing my hair because it has a fishy smell. This is called the silicone mix shampoo. It's really good for bundles. I even use it on my real hair. It's good for that too. But Moroccan argan oil with macadamia oil and keratin. So yeah, I'm just gonna thoroughly wash my hair because I don't want no fishy hair walking around and it's hot outside. LOL. Okay, so the color that I will be watercoloring or dyeing my hair is Blue Black 130 by Adore. I ended up getting 3 bottles of the product only because I thought, I don't need that many, especially since it's just 3 bundles in a closure. Now, if you have a full lace wig or bundles that are like extremely long to like 24 inches to 40, then I would say get like 6 bottles just to be on the safe side. But me, I don't have that many, and my longest bundle is only 18 inches, so I decided to just get 3 bottles of color. Okay y'all, now I am currently dipping my 613 14-inch closure inside the water, and if you take a close look at it, that's what it looks like. And don't worry about the lace being stained because my stylist is gonna bleach the knots of my lace of my closure tomorrow anyway. So yeah, or what I've been seeing is sometimes people even got to be glue. They get the spray and then they spray a little bit of the product onto the lace of the closure. Alright y'all, so this is the color of my bundles. I made a mess. I got some of the dye on the counter that cannot come out, unfortunately. But as you can see here, it's like a nice blue. It's like an off blue, off black really, but the color of the product was called a black blue, and this is the perfect color. It's my first time wearing color, so I didn't want it to be too extreme or too vibrant, but I did have a hard time, however, trying to get the shampoo out of the hair. So while I was dyeing it this color, I also had to rinse the shampoo out. And what I did was I dipped the hair inside of the water with the rubber band around it, and I had to open it up like this, and I noticed that some of the insides of the hair was still blonde, so I was dipping it, and you know, it took me a total of 2 hours from washing it and dyeing it. This is 3 bundles in the closure.
Ain't no woman like the one I got, but she be always worried about the one I fuck. She says it's gonna be me, myself, and I. Damn, that'll make me a one I fuck. I was so mad. to the floor.